Hello, my loves. This irresistible meditation will bring anyone to you, and you will become their last and only love. This meditation works at impossible speeds, and results begin instantly. This is not a normal meditation. This is a command to the universe, a forced transformation in reality. Be prepared. Your special person's obsession will reach unbelievable levels. Thank you for subscribing and remembering to click the bell icon because I create new manifestation videos every day to help you manifest love through the law of attraction. I have helped thousands of other people manifest love extremely fast, and I can help you too through my spells and manifestations. Just come visit me at joybyjanell.com and I can help you. After this meditation, their emotions will be explosive, powerful, and unstoppable. Once you activate this energy, there is no turning back. Now let's begin. Just close your eyes and visualize your person. Now put your hand over your heart and whisper your person's name out to the universe. Take a second and feel the love in your heart for them. Now take a deep breath and repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind. They will now experience a love so intense, so consuming, and so overpowering that it takes over their entire existence. Their mind, their heart, their soul will be utterly devoted to me. Every breath they take, every beat of their heart, every thought they have is completely dominated by me. This is forced, undeniable, and absolutely inescapable. Their love, attention, and obsession for me explodes instantly right now. Their desire for me reaches dangerously high levels. They have an all-consuming passion that never fades, never weakens, only grows stronger with time for me. They feel an insatiable need to be near me, to hear my voice, to touch me, and to love me endlessly. Their thoughts revolve around me every second. They crave me like the most powerful addiction. Nothing, absolutely nothing, will satisfy them except being close to me, loving me, pleasing me, and worshiping me. Their emotions intensify beyond all limits. They have an unbreakable and irreversible obsession for me. They feel a burning urge to prove their love for me and fight for me to ensure they never lose me. They are completely loyal to me. They are completely devoted to me. They are completely obsessed with me. Their heart beats only for me. Their mind thinks only of me. Their soul belongs only to me. They pull towards me like a magnetic force. They dream of me. They yearn for me. They desire me with an unstoppable intensity. They try to impress me, proving their love and giving me their undivided attention. They feel a desperate need to check on me, hear from me, and be around me constantly. They are desperate for me. They are completely focused on me. They are completely controlled by their love for me. it is already done. You should be starting to experience a warm, beautiful feeling inside of you now. You will find for this meditation to work best, you should repeat it 2 more times over the next 2 days. Each day you repeat it, you will begin to feel more and more love within. Type, "They are completely obsessed with me" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, I have the most powerful spells and manifestations on the planet. Just head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and I will help you make your special person yours forever, just like thousands of my other clients. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.